We're here at Templeton High School today with Jason Diodati's engineering class as part of the Career and Technical Education grant that was afforded to San Luis Obispo County and all of our high schools. So Jason, tell us about your program.
We're about 6 years into engineering here at Templeton High School, and when we started 6 years ago, we were struggling for funds. We were finding things on Craigslist, fixing them up and selling them just to try to make money for the classroom. And then engineering really started to explode. More students started signing up. And then a couple years ago, we were approached with the ability to get into the CTE funds. So I went and got a CTE credential, which opened up a large amount of funds for the classroom, and it just tremendously exploded the program. Just last year, we had so much excitement around this program. We had over 40 students too many sign up for our classes. And then with the new round of funding this year, we've been getting new equipment like these laser cutters, and we're battling drones. And actually just this year, I got a second CTE credential. So our class is now energy and power technology and manufacturing and design.
Mr. Diodati is definitely a different kind of teacher. He is very supportive. He helps us and talks to us about majors. Definitely sparks our imagination.
What Jason and the students have been able to do in this very limited space, and we'll be moving into the new STEM building next year, which we're super excited about, especially when he has this huge room with room for his equipment, and it's modern, and you know, the future is just unbelievable and super exciting, and CTE is growing and much beyond the engineering stuff, but it's unbelievable and super exciting for the students.
What's nice about Mr. Diodati's Engineering 2 class is that he gives us skills that we can use later in our careers, even though we're not really going into engineering, that we can kind of use the skills that we learn in this class to kind of help us be successful for later in life. So,
yeah, I think that's awesome, because I mean, one of the biggest things that Dio's taught us through Maker's Project is being resourceful, like Brent said.
A lot of the principles that we use and learn in Mr. Diodati's engineering class, that kind of figuring out for ourselves how to really solve problems, and I think a lot of that comes from the Engineering 2 class here at Templeton High School.